Have you ever wondered how to make your landscape stunning with ornamental grasses? These versatile plants add a unique aesthetic appeal to any garden. From fountain grass to featherweed, there's a myriad of types to explore. Let's dive deeper and explore the world of ornamental grasses. Now let's explore some popular types of ornamental grasses. First up is fountain grass. Known for its arching, fountain-like form, this grass comes in a range of hues from green to deep burgundy. It usually grows to about 3 to 5 feet tall and prefers full sun conditions. Next, we have blue fescue. This compact grass, with its distinctive blue-green color, typically reaches a height of about 10 inches and enjoys full sun to partial shade. Last but not least is the Japanese forest grass. Its cascading leaves that change from bright green in spring to golden yellow in fall can reach 2 to 3 feet in height, thriving best in partial to full shade. Each of these grasses brings a unique beauty to any landscape. You must be wondering what makes ornamental grasses so special. Well, these versatile plants offer numerous benefits. They require minimal maintenance, providing year-round beauty with their vibrant colors and varied textures. They're a magnet for wildlife, attracting birds and butterflies with their seed heads and shelter. Moreover, their deep root systems are excellent for erosion control. And let's not forget, their sway adds a delightful sense of movement to any garden. Indeed, ornamental grasses are a gardener's best friend. Ready to transform your garden with ornamental grasses? We've explored their stunning variety, from the towering pampas to the delicate blue fescue. Remember, these grasses aren't just pretty faces. They're hardy, low maintenance, and can provide year-round interest. So why not add a touch of whimsy to your landscape with these natural beauties? With ornamental grasses, the possibilities are as vast as your imagination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing landscaping tips.